The content of lecture number 17 is solution of problems leading to quadratic equations. That is, we will have to solve the word problems by transforming it into the quadratic equations. So question number 1 of exercise 2.8 is the product of two positive consecutive numbers is 182. Find the numbers. For this, we suppose that let the first number be x, second number be x plus 1. Since the word consecutive here represents that there is a difference of 1 between the two numbers. So if first number is x, the other should be x plus 1. Since we have been given the condition that the product of these two positive consecutive numbers is 182, so applying the condition and writing it in mathematical form, we just get x into x plus 1 is equal to 182. Multiplying x to the terms inside the bracket, we just get x square plus x is equal to 182. This implies that x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Since the equation is the quadratic one, we can easily solve it by the factorization method. So after applying the factorization method, we just get x plus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. But since we have been given that these are the positive numbers, so we will have to omit this x is equal to minus 14 and we will take this x is equal to 13. So the first number is 13 and the second number is, since the second number was x plus 1, so putting the value of x in that particular equation, we just get second number is equal to 13 plus 1, which is equal to 14. The next question is the sum of 5 times a number and the square of the number is 204. Find the number. Again, we will have to first suppose for the required one. That is, we will have to suppose that the number which we are going to find out may be x. Then since we are going to apply the condition on 5 times of this number, so 5 times of this number will be 5x and the square of the number is x square. So applying this condition mathematically, we will be having the sum of 5 times a number and the square of a number is 204. That is, we are going to add 5x and x square and their sum is equal to 204. Shifting 204 towards the other side, we get x square plus 5x minus 204 is equal to 0. Again, the equation obtained is the quadratic one. So we can apply the factorization method to solve it. So we have solved it through factorization method and we just get x plus 17 is equal to 0 or x minus 12 is equal to 0. After shifting the constant towards the other side, we will get x is equal to minus 17 or 12. So the numbers be minus 17 or 12. Question number 4 is the product of 5 less than 3 times a certain number and 1 less than 4 times the number is 7. Find the number. So first of all, we will have to write that let the required number be x. Then according to the given condition, now we are going to apply the condition. And what is the condition? That is the product of 5 less than 3 times a certain number and 1 less than 4 times the number is 7. So applying this condition mathematically, we will get the product of means we are going to multiply. Which thing we are going to multiply? We are going to multiply 5 less than 3 times the number and 1 less than 4 times the number. So 5 less than 3 times the number means that 3x minus 5, that is 5 less than 3 times the number, that is 3x minus 5 into 4 times the number and 1 less than this, that is 4x minus 1, and we have been given that their product is equal to 7. So multiplying the terms inside the bracket, we just get the quadratic equation, which is 12x square minus 23x minus 2 is equal to 0. By the factorization method, we get x minus 2 and 12x plus 1 is equal to 0. Applying the possibility, we just get x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 1 by 12. So the number may be 2 or minus 1 by 12. Now before solving the next sum, we will first discuss the numbers consisting of 2 digits. Now, which are the numbers consisting of 2 digits? Obviously, the numbers starting from 10 to 99 are the numbers consisting of 2 digits. First, we have written which numbers are the numbers consisting of 2 digits. The numbers from 10 to 99 consist of 2 digits. Now, which 2 digits are making those numbers? Unit and tens. For example, I have taken 15 out of these range of numbers. You may take other than 15 as well. But we have broken down 15 and have written 15 into the sum of the digits. That is, 15 may be written as 1 times tens plus 5 times units, or 1 into 10 plus 5, or 5 plus 10 into 1, can be written in both ways. Similarly, if we are taking another 2-digit number, for example, I am taking 23. 23 can be broken down into the sum of tens and digits as 2 into tens plus 3 into units, or 2 into 10 plus 3, or 3 plus 10 into 2, etc. So if we are supposing units digit as x and tens digit as y, that is, we are going to suppose for the numbers which are written with tens and units, that is, we have these tens and these units common in all the 2-digit numbers, but the difference is this one, that is how many units and how many tens are involving to make the 2-digit number. So we are supposing them as x and as y. So the number becomes x plus 10y, that is, in place of unit, that is how many units are we going to take, maybe x plus 10 into how many tens are we going to take is y. So the general form of a number consisting of 2 digits is x plus 10y. So let's start solving the sum related to 2-digit numbers. Question number 6 is the sum of the squares of 2 digits of a positive integral number is 65. That is, we are going to take a positive number but consisting of 2 digits. Definitely the number will consist of units and tens. We have been given that the square of the sum of the square of these 2 digits of a positive integral number may be 65, and the number is 9 times the sum of its digit. Find the number. We cannot find the number unless we are not able to find out the digits. So first we are going to let units digit is equal to x and tens digit is equal to y. Then the number, as we discussed, then the number will be x plus 10y. We don't know how many units and how many tens are we going to take, since we are going to find out the number of units digit and the number of tens digit. So that is why we have given them, or we have assigned them the variables as x and y. So we are going to find out the values of this x and y, and the number is x plus 10y. Now we are going to apply the condition over it. According to the given conditions, sum of squares of two digits is 65. There are two conditions for this particular sum. First is sum of squares of two digits is 65. One digit is x and the other one is y. Sum of their squares will be x square plus y square. So according to the given condition, x square plus y square is equal to 65. And the second condition is the number is 9 times the sum of the digits, means to say this number x plus 10y is equal to 9 times x plus y. Multiplying 9 to the terms inside the bracket, we get x plus 10y is equal to 9x plus 9y. Shifting all these towards the other side, we just get minus 8x plus y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 8x. Now putting y is equal to 8x in equation number 1, we just get x square plus 8x whole square is equal to 65. We will get 65x square is equal to 65. Dividing both sides by 65, we just get x square is equal to 1. Now taking square root on both sides, we will just get x is equal to 1. So putting x is equal to 1 in equation number 2, we will just get the value of y, that is y is equal to 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Now since we are going to find out the number, and the number is x plus 10y, so we will put these values of x and y in the given number and get x, since in place of x we have put 1 and in place of y we have put 8. So the number will become 81. So the required number is 81. Question number 10 is find the dimension of a rectangle whose perimeter is 80 cm and its area is 375 cm square. Dimension of a rectangle mean we are going to find out its length and its width. So let the length of the rectangle be x, its width be y. Then according to the given condition, the first condition is that the perimeter is 80 cm. We know that the perimeter is the sum of all sides. Here we are talking about the rectangle, so it will be 2 times length plus 2 times width is equal to 80 cm. Putting x and y in place of length and width, we get 2 into x plus y is equal to 80. We can divide 2 on both sides in order to get it into a more simplified form. It will be, now area is equal to 375 cm square. We know that the formula of area to find out for the rectangle is length multiplied by width is equal to 375 cm square. This implies that xy is equal to 375 cm square. Now taking equation number 1, we get x plus y is equal to 40. Now if we shift this x towards the other side, we get the value of y as y is equal to 40 minus x. Now putting this value in this equation number 2, we will just get x into 40 minus x is equal to 375. Multiplying x to the terms inside the bracket, we just get 40x minus x square is equal to 375. Now rearranging the values, we just get minus x square plus 40x minus 375 is equal to 0. And taking the negative sign common out of these three numbers, we just get x square minus 40x plus 375 is equal to 0. Now applying the factorization method, we just get x minus 25 into x minus 15 is equal to 0. Applying the possibility, we get x is equal to 25 or x is equal to 15. So putting these values in equation number 3, we just get for x is equal to 25, y is equal to 40 minus 25, since it was y is equal to 40 minus x. So if we are putting x is equal to 25, it will become y is equal to 40 minus 25 is equal to 15. And if we are doing it for x is equal to 15, it will be y is equal to 40 minus 15. So this implies that y is equal to 25. So the dimensions of rectangle are 15 cm by 25 cm or 25 cm by 15 cm.